What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve your RJ45 error on chess.com. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in chess.com. After typing, you will be redirected to this page of chess.com where on the left side you can see two options of sign up and login. If you are new to chess.com, just simply sign up with your email and password. But if you already have created an account, just simply click on login and then log in with your chess ID and password. Now, when you are logged in or signed in, on the left side at the bottom, you can see the support section. Click on it once, and then a new support window will open. After that, click on contact support. After clicking on contact support, at the right side, click on get started. After clicking on get started, a pop-up message will appear. Now here in the search articles, type in RG45 error and then hit enter, and then it will give you all the solutions. This is the solution. As you can see, I am getting error code RG45. What should I do? Click on this and then it will provide you with the full solution of how to solve this RG45 error. So this is how you can solve the RG45 error in chess.com. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.